What's up, guys, and welcome to another NanoArts video, guys. And we are gonna play a game called I Am Cat, guys. The first time, no, not the first. Yesterday, we played a shooting game, the first shooting game called Hyperdash, and it was pretty fun. I will do another video of it. No, another episode. I mean, yeah, and I will. I played deathmatch. I will play team deathmatch, guys. But let's just now play. I Am Cat. Yo. Oh, this is a game of. This is I Am a Cat, and this is Gwen. Yeah. I'm so excited for that game. Yes. Oh, what is that sound? What is that sound? Yo. Ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Where's the game? Where is the game? Where is the game? Hey. Yo. Oh, it's like Gorilla Tag. Oh, it's like Gorilla Tag, but you need to swing yourself up, not like this. You need to what is that? What is this? What? Hey. Oh, I just take. I'm eating it. No, what? Get back. What? No. Shut up. I don't care, I'm just gonna... What the hell? I just wanna see this. Guys! Ooh! Ooh! Look at my pretty face! Yup. Oh, let's just stop playing. I wanna play the game. I wanna see Granny. I wanna see Granny. Wanna see Granny. Okay. What's that? What is that? 2 hours. I want you to like and subscribe, guys. Okay. Okay. Yes, guys. I need you to like and subscribe. Hey. Like that? Hey. Hey. Oh, it's not Gorilla Tag. Okay, let me jump. Hey. No. What? Oh, no. No. What? Where is Grandma? Grandma, you watching cats? But I'm a cat over here. What is that remote? Get. Wee. Is that a remote? No, Grandma, no. Yeah. No, Grandma. No, Grandma. No, Grandma. No, Grandma. No. No internet. No, there's no internet. I'm ready. Yeah. I'm a kitten. Hey. Grandma beat me up. Hi, pick me up. Pick me up. Get away, Grandma. I'm John Cena. I'm John. Hey, no. You can hit me from here? I want. Hey. Hey, yo. Oh. I'm gonna kill this Granny. I'm waiting for the game. Oh, Grandma, you're gonna get it. You are gonna get... How are you doing? Oh, give me your... Excuse me? Can you... Oh, controller battery is low. Take that, please. Yep. I'm Grandma. I'm a grandma cat. I said I'm a grandma cat. Yes. What should I do? I am a grandma cat. Hey. Hey. Chicken up. Chicken up. Hey. No. Grandma, what the fuck? Grandma. Grandma. You gotta chill, Grandma. What the? Oh, you are getting it. Where is that? No, I'm not gonna be. Let me get up here. Please, excuse me. Oh, let's just bring some nice wine. Oop, bad. What?
You game for me.
Yes. So I gotta break it.
You've got to for me.
What? What do you think?
You get for me.
You need to get dishes again. What? You died. Frisbee. Oh, Frisbee didn't work. Well,
You've got to for me.
I'm a bro. What? Okay, guys. What is that? Guys, I'm gonna do another episode of that game. Let me outrun Granny. Outrun. What? How? Oh. Just. What the hell's this? Wee! Hey. No, not like that. Hi! Hi! What is that? What is that? What does... You go away.
You game for me.
Boom! You come. What are you doing? Oh, you're a good boy. You're coming. You're a dog to me now. You're a dog. Like you will come where I go. Oh. Come give me a hug. Come give me a hug. Come give me a hug. I want to outrun Granny. Excuse me. I need to... Do you like water? Yep, you like water. Fishes, dishes, guys. Print. Oh, no. My hand is stuck again. Hey, you. Hey, yes. Oh, I need it. I'm gonna be wee. Yes. Oh. Nope. What? Grandma, I want food. Grandma, I want food. I want food. You are my doggy. You will come wherever I go. Yeah. Can you jump? Oh, let's see.
Yes, you've got to for me.
What the hell? Hey. Oh. I am going. Yo. Give me this. Okay. Ooh. What are you? What is it? You're gonna do something? Hey, 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 hey. Okay. Hey. Okay, guys, maybe that was it. Maybe that was it. We didn't do something. But let's just go on. This was I Am Cat, guys. Comment if I will play another episode. That game is weird.
You've got to for me.
Okay. We are gonna make food for Grandma. The pen. We are just gonna make hot dogs. Hot dogs, just 2 hot dogs. 2. No, 1. Just 1. 1 hot dog. 1 hot dog. For you, Grandma. You are my bestie. What? Hey. Good. Good. Yes. Let's just cook it for flipping.